Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate YouTube and Gmail. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new channel video is published in YouTube, it will automatically send an email via Gmail. Now YouTube is an awesome video sharing platform and Gmail is a powerful emailing tool offered by Google. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from YouTube to Gmail. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between YouTube and Gmail. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate YouTube and Gmail. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as YouTube to Gmail. YouTube to Gmail. And just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as YouTube? Because we want to send the data from YouTube, that is why. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make the trigger event as new video in channel? Okay, so new video in channel is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new video is uploaded in the channel, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger called as new comment. Now, in case if you want more trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. Okay, but at present, I just want to send the data when a new video is uploaded in the channel. Okay, so just click on connect with YouTube. Okay, so in the new credentials, just again click on connect with YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, these are the series of Gmail accounts I have. Okay, so in one of these accounts is my channel. This is my channel. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to my channel. Okay, so this is my channel, Aaron Manuel. And as you can see, I have uploaded a video called as Pokemon Songs. So let us explore that. So this is a video called as Pokemon Songs and I have recently uploaded it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on connect with YouTube. So when we do that, we have a series of Gmail account and in this particular Gmail account is this particular channel. So I'm selecting this account. Okay, so in this Gmail account, I have two channels, that is Aaron Manuel and Dr. Doom. So this particular video called as Pokemon Songs is present in this channel. I'm selecting this one. Okay, so it is asking me to confirm my choice. All I'm going to do is just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Basically, this means that we have integrated Pabbly Connect to this particular channel called as Aaron Manuel. That is why it is showing the channel ID as Aaron Manuel. Okay, so when we click on save and send test request, it will show the data of the recently uploaded video in this channel. Okay, so the recently uploaded video is this one, that is Pokemon Song. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the title as Pokemon Songs and all the data regarding this particular video is being reflected here. Okay, so my point is very clear. When we have clicked on save and send test request, it's basically showing all the data regarding the recently uploaded video in this channel that we have integrated with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so these are the details. As I mentioned, this is the channel title, that is Aaron Manuel. That's the channel name. And then we have the title as Pokemon Songs. Okay, so there is one important thing that you have to notice, that is the video ID. So this is the video ID. Okay, so your obvious question is, what is so important about that? Well, to explain you that, let me take you to YouTube. So I'm opening YouTube in a new tab. Okay, so this is the YouTube, and as you can see, there is a video called as Shaolin Soccer 2001. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this whole URL and open this and paste it in a new tab. Okay, so as you can see, it's the same video because I just copied the whole URL and pasted it in another tab. So your obvious question is what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so let's have a look at this URL. So when we look at this URL, what I'm going to do here is I'm just copying this time up to here only, not the full URL, up to here only. Okay, and then I'm going to open this, paste it in a new tab. Okay, so as you can see, this time it is not showing the video, it is just opening YouTube. So this is because I haven't copied the whole URL. So my point is very simple. This whole URL consists of two parts, the YouTube part and the video ID part. Okay, I repeat again, there are two parts in this whole URL, the YouTube part and the video ID part. So let me show you in my video. So this is my video that I have uploaded, and this is the YouTube part. So when I copy this and paste it here, it will just open YouTube, not the video. Okay, while if I copy the whole URL, it will just open the whole video once again. Okay, so I hope you get the gist. So basically this whole URL consists of two parts, the YouTube part as well as the video ID part. So this YouTube part is basically the static part. It doesn't really change because as you can see, it's just the same in all URL, it's just the same, but the video ID part is different for, it's actually unique for each video. Okay, it's actually very different for each video. Okay, so as you can see, this video ID part is different for this video ID part is different for this video, and so on. So my point is, when Pabbly Connect has captured the data, it has captured the video ID. So this is the video ID for this particular video, that is Pokemon Songs. As you can see, this is the video ID. Okay, and Pabbly Connect has captured this. Okay, excellent. So we are ready to sync all this detail to Gmail to send an email. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to scroll down and click on this button. Okay, so when you click on this button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Gmail, because we want to send the email from Gmail, that is why. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send an email. Now there are many more action events like add label to an email, send email with plain text. Now just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send an email via Gmail. Okay, so just click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so in the new credentials, again, just click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so as you can see, Pabbly Connect is demanding access to one of those accounts which will be sending the email. So I want to send the email from this account. Okay, so I'm selecting this account and it is asking me to confirm the choice. So I'm just clicking on allow. Okay, so here there is something you should know. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to construct an email from the data that we have received from YouTube via Pabbly Connect. For example, in the recipient name, we are going to give the name. So the name of the recipient is Mark. No, not Mark, Michael. Okay, and this is his email, recipient email. So this is his email, Michael 481. Okay, so this is the recipient email. From name is basically my name. So my name is this one. And from email, this is my email address. Excellent. Okay, so the email subject. So to get the email subject, how about we map in the detail? So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click this, and the title of the video will be my email subject. So this is the title. So I'm just selecting this. Okay, so the email subject is Pokemon Song. So this is the title of the video that has been recently uploaded in my channel. And the email message something like will be Hey there, buddy. I have uploaded a new video called, and we can just again map in the title. So it was Pokemon songs at this time, and we can just map in the time at it was published. So it was published at where is the time? Okay, published time. Okay, so this is the one, and this is the URL for the same. Okay, so now this is the most important part. We are going to enter the URL. So as I mentioned before, the URL consists of two parts, the YouTube part and the video ID part. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this static part, the YouTube part, and simply paste it here. Okay, so this is the static part, it never changes. Okay, now comes the dynamic part. So as I mentioned before, each video has a different video ID. So this is the dynamic part. As you can see, each video has a different video ID. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click this and just going to map the video ID. This is the one. Okay, so we have mapped the video ID, and all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to this guy called as Michael Karas. So let's have a look in his email. Okay, so this is the message. So this is the title of the video, Pokemon song, and it reads as hey there buddy, I have uploaded a video called Pokemon songs at this time, and this is the URL. So let's have a look in the URL whether it is the same video that we have uploaded. Yes, this is the same video. Excellent. So the presence of this mail shows that we have successfully integrated YouTube and Gmail with help of PabliConnect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me show you the whole process in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just minimizing my action window, and also I've minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated YouTube to PabliConnect, and then you have integrated PabliConnect to Gmail. So now there is a perfect flow of data between YouTube and Gmail. So I'm going to upload one more video. So this is how I upload. I'm going to click on upload video. Okay, I'm going to make a small upload. Okay, so this is the video I'm going to upload. Okay, how about this one? Okay, we have uploaded the video. Okay, so a video called as Fairy Tale Songs has been uploaded. So let's have a look into this Michael Karas account, whether he has got the mail concerning the same. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, so he hasn't got the email. So let me tell you something. YouTube actually takes a significant amount of time to send the data. So it will take a while before this person called as Michael Karas receives the message. So how about we wait for, let's say, 10-15 minutes, or how about I update the result when I get it. Okay, so we have got the email Fairy Tale Songs. So this is the email. Hey there buddy, I have uploaded a new video Fairy Tale Songs at this time, and this is the URL for the same. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new video is uploaded in YouTube, it will be reflected as a mail in Gmail.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using PabliConnect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabli.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabli.com. It's awesome. Thanks.